So we're going to make a table out of the data we're given. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points given, which means I'll need x0, x1, x2, x3, right? So let's see, here is my x. X is at negative 0.5, and say here is my f of x. Negative 0.25, this is 1.93750, this is 1.33203. Then I have 0.25, and at 0.25 I have 0.800781. At 0.5 we have 0.687500. Okay, so this is what I have. Let's apply that formula. So my b naught simply is f of x naught, which is f of negative 0.5. Let's see, f of negative 0.5 is 1.93750. Good, we already know the first thing we need. So b1 is f of x1 comma x naught. Okay, so it is f of x1 minus f of x naught over x1 minus x naught. It's just like taking slope, okay? So f of this minus f of this over this minus this. Exactly your typical slope formula. 33203 minus 1.93750 over negative 0.25 minus negative 0.5. So I could have just done a plus over here. So this will give me negative 2.42188. Alright.
You're doing great.
So let's see. B2 is f of x2, x1, and x0. So it looks a little bit too big, but nothing to be nervous about. Let's see. So this is f of x2 comma x1. Just break it down into 2. Minus f of x1 comma x0 divided by the whole difference, which is x2 minus x0, right?
B3 is the answer, right?
No, B3 is not the answer. Can you get the back? Okay. So this is just like the form of that, right? Just breaking it down into individual things. So for that, let's see, I need my f of x2 comma x1, which is, I think Gabriel is singing a song.
It is hardcore singing, right?
It's hardcore singing. So, okay, 0.800781 minus 1.33203 over 0.25 plus 0.25, which is 2,1, which is negative 1.062498. Cool. So similarly, you'll find out that your x1 comma x0, which is f of x1 minus, just taking the slope like I said, x1 minus, Gabriel is going crazy singing Money on My Mind.
He's got money on his mind, dude.
He's getting his easies later. So when I plug this in the calculator, well, you see I've already done it up here. So while doing this, you realize that most of it you've already done. So when I do that, I have negative 1.062498 minus, I was going to do minus, but you see there's already negative. I could have just done plus, 8 divided by, what is my x2 minus x0? x2 is 0.25 minus negative 0.5. There was a negative, okay. I was like, what? So this will actually give me 1.812509. Cool. So now I have to find my B3, which is f of, now 3 means start from 2 and go all the way to 0.
Okay.
So this is 4, just like 3 we broke up into 2. 4 will break up into 2 of 3 each. So x3, x2, x1 minus f of x2, x1, x0 over the whole thing starts from x3 inside x0. Okay. So for each of these, it's tricky. See, this we've already done up here, right? Which is right here. And for this, a similar formula. This 3 will break up into 2 like that. Okay. Let me do it over here real quick. So f of x3, x2, x1, x0. Okay, so I'm doing
There's no
only
x0.
Yeah, there's x0.
Oh.
So I'm doing the first part, okay, is whatever. I'm going to do x3, x2, x1, since the other one has already been done. So here again, I'll break it up into, there's 3, also I'll break it up into 2 of 2, x3, x2 minus f of x2, x1 over the whole difference, which is x3 minus x1. We already have everything. So we already have, let's see, x2, x1, I already calculated from here, which was what? Negative 1.062498 over, I know my x3 is 0.5 minus negative 0.5. So I just need to find that. Let's see, f x3 comma x2 is f of x3 minus f of x2 over x3 minus x2. This is a separate. So that will give me okay, that will give me negative 0.453124. So this is going to be negative 0.453124. Cool. So this will finally give me 0.812499. So basically here it is going to be 0.812499 minus this we already had. Okay, so 0.5, so negative 0.5 plus negative, let's see, 0.5, this one, so this will give us 0.9843739375. So now finally that I have all of this data, I'm going to put everything I got into this, okay? So my formula for f of x will be b naught. So the formula was b naught plus b1 x minus x naught. Pretty easy to remember because, you know, you just stop before the one less than the subscript, so b3 x minus x naught. So if there was f, let's say b4, then we would have stopped at x3, but it's b3, so we'll stop at x2. So b naught we'd already found out was 1.93750 plus b1 is negative, so minus 2.421888 x minus our x naught was negative 0.5, so this will be positive 0.5, and then this will be 0.25 plus, what is my b3? So my b3 was, oh man, I forgot my b1. b1 is negative, oh, that was my b1, x minus x1, x minus x naught, plus b2. b2 is 1.812509 x